On July 7, 2025, Mountain Home, Arkansas police respond to a residence to assist a bail bondsman during a bond revocation. The bondsman receives a key from a tenant of the home who expresses serious concern about a woman's welfare and states she needs help. What began as a bond revocation starts to unravel when the woman becomes agitated, forcing officers to step in before the situation spins out of control. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
So we got a game plan, kind of?
Nope.
No.
This is 23.
Hey, Katie!
You want to go see if you can get It's locked. It's like booby trap. There's like wire hanging from the door.
She got anything on it, or?
You see that string? See it?
No. Oh.
It's all the way to the sliding glass.
You try this door?
Yeah, it's locked.
It is.
Got it.
Sure, Katie! Katie! Brad, Bill Bondsman. Gonna be in here. Hey, Katie!
I don't know if she's got any legit booby traps. I saw tape on the garage door. If you're watching me, you are guilty. Oh, that's got a damn stick. That's going to be probably not going to be able to break that open unless we bust the window.
Is this the girl that Keith fought on the front porch?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? I think they got in. Clear.
Excuse me, I didn't. Please,
Well, I was
please leave.
Brad.
Please leave.
Hey, Brad!
Please leave. You have no right to be inside this home. Please leave.
Brad's gonna talk to you real quick.
Please leave. You're trespassing. Why are you in my closet in my bedroom? Hey.
Oh, please.
You don't touch me.
Look,
You do not touch me. I know who you are, and you do not touch me, and you do not enter my home, and you sure as hell do not walk through a door that says do not fucking enter. No, do not touch me.
Listen, come here.
You are men, and you have no right to touch me.
Okay, let's do this easy.
Do you have a warrant?
Yep.
Then show it to me. Present it to me.
Go. Back. Hey, let's not do this. Come on. Come on. We gotta get you that doctor. That's all that matters. Get that
No.
doctor. Yep, you're going to that
No,
doctor.
I am
Yes,
not.
you are.
I did not sign any contract for any of that.
Signed it for me.
No, I did
Yes,
not.
you did. Now give me your hand.
No, I did
Don't
not.
make these guys do this. Let me do it. Please.
No.
You ride with me.
No.
Yeah, they're in.
They're in?
Yeah.
You don't want
I
to
showed up to court. I have not had anything
Listen
sent
to
to
me.
me by the
Listen to
court
me.
or
Yes, you
anyone
have.
else. No, I
You
have
to
not.
You have to get the doctor next week.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
That was for
Court order. It's a
October.
court order.
It was not.
Yes, it is. I have
No,
a copy.
it isn't.
I have a
Well,
copy
I
of it.
don't.
Well, you should have. It's July
Well,
16th.
no, where is it? It
It's
should have
in-
been
it's
in
in
my
my truck.
mailbox.
Yeah, your mail you won't check.
No, Phil brings the mail in every
Let's
damn
finish.
day. Nope. Please leave.
Give me your hand.
Nope.
Give me your hand.
No.
Give me your hand.
No.
Give me your hand.
No.
You're gonna get tased. Give me your hand.
Are you f***ing kidding me? You've already broken my damn ribs.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
There you go.
Are you kidding?
Go ahead. I'll
Do
roll
you
it.
see this abuse? I hope you're recording it.
Got it?
Yeah, got it. Grab the other hand.
Exactly what Mr. Parnell sees. You're going to your
I'm being assaulted.
Why don't you just roll over your belly a little bit more so we don't hurt you, okay?
No.
Otherwise, I'm going to pry your arm out. Got it? Yep. Last chance. Pull that arm out
How
for me.
many of you are there? What are your names and what are your badge numbers?
Give us your hand.
No.
Give us your hand.
Where's the female officer? Are
Give
you
us-
f***ing kidding me? You're gonna strangle me?
No, ma'am. I'm going to get your arm out.
Or you're gonna scrape up my elbow again?
Oh, got it.
You're good.
What the f*** is wrong with you people?
You're good. Those too tight, or are you good?
They're too tight.
Well, for now, they're going to stay on, okay?
Since you're not really cooperating too well, we'll try to make sure they ain't too tight, but don't wiggle, okay? So we can lock them.
There you go.
This is abuse.
Miss Bell, do you have some shoes or sliders you want to get?
Let's roll to your side.
Roll over to your side so we can help you up. Otherwise, we'll just carry you out.
There you go. Sit up.
There you go. Sit up. Go ahead, sit up.
This is f***ing ridiculous. And you know it.
All right, stand up for me.
Because I didn't break the law.
There you go.
But you all are.
Okay.
You have shoes?
Not that I can wear comfortably, because I've had a whole bunch of stuff stolen from me.
What, do you have sandals or anything?
You got anything anywhere? This way you don't have to go barefoot.
Well, they took me shoeless last time
Where's your shoes?
when I wasn't breaking any laws.
Where's your shoes? Where are they? We'll get them for you.
Nope, you will not. You will
Alright,
not
then go
trespass
barefoot.
any further.
We'll
Get
go
out of the
barefoot
house.
then.
Barefoot.
Sir, put her in yours and
You
Follow
broke
you down
into
there.
my home without a warrant.
Yeah, we can take her.
How many of you did this
I don't
take?
need it, okay?
Alright.
I came into your home.
You broke into my home.
I did. With the key.
Quick.
Just cooperate. You're already handcuffed.
you're not going anywhere. Come on. Watch your step.
Who turned off my CD player?
I did.
You had no right to touch it, but now the people who have to investigate my home have your fingerprint.
Let's take her to Tyler's. It's right there.
Make sure to dust and print those walls the hallways, boys.
Will do.
Take her around to the other side. So right here.
Nothing on you that we're gonna get you in more trouble for?
Shouldn't be.
Okay. What's that?
My identification? Because you didn't even ask who I was. Don't touch it. It isn't yours. You need a warrant for that. My identification.
Okay.
Leave it the f alone. You can't touch it without a goddamn warrant.
Is there a hook on that side to take it off, or
You can't take it off. What the f is wrong with you?
just chill?
It's not yours. It does not belong to you.
Don't start
Are you
reaching.
kidding?
Don't start reaching.
Did you cut my forehead? Because I didn't.
Hold still.
Did you put magic marker on me?
Lean her back.
Trying to make something into a goddamn show that it isn't?
Alright, now you're good.
Watch your head.
Well, that's everything I have. F you guys.
Wallet, some keys.
Sounds good.
This is Mountain Home. The driver of this vehicle is, what's your name?
Do what?
T. Polite.
43 dispatch.
43.
We'll be 98. We got a female we're taking to the jail.
Oh, and there's Phil in his truck. I hope he enjoyed the show.
Are you going to give the jail staff any issues?
It depends on whether they expect me to speak to them or not.
Well, I think you'll have to answer some questions, but
Well, I'm not even under arrest. I just got cuffed.
No, I'm pretty sure you were told you were under arrest. 43 dispatch will be out at the jail.
Airport.
Get ready to run.
Catherine Bale.
Other
She's
side.
on the other side. The one with the crutches. She doesn't have crutches this time.
Yeah, they're in the house.
Hey, Miss Bale. Come on.
Where are my personal items that you took off of my body?
Here. I got them right here.
There, we'll bring them in here. I'm
No,
a body scan
I
right
will
now.
watch where they go. Do not touch me.
So you don't tell me what to do. We're gonna come through here, okay? Right through here. Come on, come on. We're gonna
Let's walk.
Come on. You go on the chair. Remember like last time? We
I don't need to go in the chair.
Here you go.
Thank
Let's
you.
go over the set, right?
How about you don't touch me?
We'll make sure that you get her in.
Yeah.
Radiation area. Caution.
Catherine Bale was arrested and charged with refusal to submit to arrest, third-degree assault, and the bond revocation. After being evaluated by a doctor, her bond was set at $1,010. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.